So very nervous right now, fingers crossed.
It's a very exciting experience to participate in this competition.
And we have the results as soon as possible.
It's been a very exhilarating experience over here, talking to the various dignitaries over here from SAAB and ABB. We just visited the lab tour in ABB.
Excited and nervous about the results. Let's see.
It's a great opportunity that I'm a part of the KTH challenge. This challenge came up as news in our college, and then I participated, and then here I am.
There have been so many rounds. There has been a personal interview, technical and aptitude test, and all these have given me a perspective of where I stand right now. It has actually enabled us to look at education from a totally different view.
Now we actually are having the presentation of the winners.
We have therefore selected Bose Karthik Yahati as the third prize winner of wireless systems. We have selected Vishwas Satish Patel as the second prize winner of wireless systems. For an impressive academic background, excellent scores in the competition, and above all for providing a bold class of solution to the berry transfer problem covering different trade-offs between data rate and delay. This convinced us that Ashutosh Mittal deserves to be the first prize winner for wireless systems.
This competition has really provided me the platform that is required for my masters. I was looking forward to studying at KTH, and this scholarship was like a boon to me.
Soumyadeep Nag is the right winner of the third prize in the ABB Master Challenge. Congratulations. Farhan Beg should be the second prize winner. Outstanding scores in the competition combined with an excellent academic record coupled with a strong industry background in a very relevant field, picking the winner was easy. We are therefore happy to announce that Salmanuddin is the winner of this year's ABB Master Challenge.
I just like to thank the organizers, ABB, for providing such a platform so that minds like us can exceed.
We have therefore selected Yasha as the third prize winner of aerospace engineering. Ashutosh Mittal deserves to be second prize winner of wireless systems. For an exceptionally good case submission, we have selected Nishida Vegi as the first prize winner of aerospace engineering.
First of all, I'm really excited, and I think this is the best gift, New Year gift for my parents. And I thank all the organizers for giving this wonderful opportunity, and also SCORE and SAAB for giving me the opportunity.
Ashish's intellectual ability and determination to understand mechatronics in depth, coupled with his high GPA and his interest in research, would make him a good candidate for the engineering design program at KTH. And he is the third prize winner. Tanmay Gupta is the second prize winner. Rimi's focused medtech interest and mature cross-disciplinary awareness caught our eye. She shows keen insight into the role faced by future engineers and seems to have the intellect and creative energy to tackle it well. Together with her thorough approach to the masters and moving to Sweden, we believe she will be a great asset to the engineering design program at KTH. Rimi Duraisamy is the first prize winner in engineering design.
I thank my parents for encouraging me throughout. Thank you.
What comes to your mind when I say Sweden?
KTH.
Sweden has most highest patent density in the world.
I'm just excited. Fika.
Oh, the Nobel Reward, the Nobel Prize. I wish to see the ceremony when I join.
And what comes to your mind when I say Stockholm?
Stockholm. Winter.
The weather that is there, peaceful locations.
The colors.
Stockholm, beautiful people, beautiful weather, and of course KTH.
End of 2 years, where do you see yourself?
Successfully graduating from KTH and working in a huge company in R&D sector.
Inculcating wireless along with biomedical.
Working at SAAB.
Finding out my passions and interests and ready for the industry.